Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous lessons, we completed all these letters from alif to ya, and we also read about the formation of different letters, and we also read that how we can recognize every single letter and how many dots every letter has, and how can we recognize the letters when they are alone. Now, from this lesson, inshallah, we will read when two letters connect with each other, or more than two letters connect with each other. So how they looks like and how we can recognize those letters. So basically now we are going to read the joint letters. So now we are starting. So first of all, we'll read ta'awuz and tasmiya. So I'm reading, read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So look at these instructions. So in this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining alphabets. Means when two letters or more than two letters connect with each other, so how we have to recognize those letters, how can we easily recognize those letters, and how we have to read those letters. So in this lesson, we will learn this inshallah. So first letter we have here is alif, because it's a single letter, so it will remain the same. Alif, a straight line from top to bottom. This is alif. Alif. The next, we have two letters here. The first one is lam, and then alif. Lam, alif. The first letter is lam and the second letter is alif. Now you can see here the formation of lam when it comes alone, when it is single. So the formation of lam was a bit different, but now it is connected to the alif, so the formation of this is changed. So this is lam, alif, and this is not the only formation of lam and alif. There are more ways to write lam and alif. One is this, and the second one is this. This is also lam. This first one is lam, and then this one is alif. This is also a way of writing for lam and alif. The third one is this one. This is lam, alif. The purple one is lam, and this blue one is alif. And this is also a writing style of lam and alif. Lam, alif. The first one is lam, this one is lam, and then this one is alif. So when lam comes with alif, so these are the four styles. First one is this, lam, alif. Then this one is the second. Sometimes it looks like this, and sometimes lam and alif, they both look like this, and sometimes they look like this. So these are four different styles of writing lam and alif. Then the next letter is ba, alif. The first letter which has a dot at the bottom is ba. As we already read that ba has single dot at bottom, and then this straighter line is alif. And as you can see at the top of the alif, it is bending on the right side. So this is how you can recognize alif. Whenever alif comes with any other letter, so at the top it bends on the right side. So that's how you can recognize alif. So these two letters are ba, alif. The next letter we already read, this is lam, alif. The first one, this purple one is lam, and then this blue one is alif. The next letter is lam, because it is written alone, so that's why it is in its original form, lam. Then the next one is lam alif, lam alif. The first one is lam, this one is lam, and then the second one is alif. Then these two letters are, first one is lam, the orange one is lam, and then the second one in purple color is ha, lam, ha. This one lam alif, the purple one is lam and the blue one is alif. Then there are three letters. First one, which has a dot at bottom, is ba. Then the second one, the black one, is lam, and the last one is also ba because it has a dot at the bottom. So we can recognize from this dot that this is ba. So these are three letters. First one is ba, lam, ba. The next letter is kaf. It is written in the original form, so that's why this is kaf. The next one is also kaf, kaf. Then these two letters are, first one is the black one, kaf, and the second one is ba. The first one is kaf because of this line we recognize that this is kaf, and then this one dot at the bottom tells us that this is ba. The next one is also kaf, ba. So kaf has also different styles of writing when it comes with any other letter. Sometimes it looks like this, as you can see here. So from this sign we can recognize this is kaf, and then ba, and sometimes it comes in this shape, kaf, ba. And this next one is also kaf, alif, kaf, alif. And the next one is kaf, alif. This one is also kaf, alif. So kaf has different styles of writing when it comes with any other letter, when it connects to any other letter. So it comes in four different styles. One is this, the second one is this, third one is this, and the fourth one is this. So these are the four styles of writing kaf when it comes with any other letter. Either it can be alif, ba, ta, sa. So it looks like this. This one is kaf, then this one is also kaf, this one is kaf, and this one is also kaf. So these are four different styles of writing kaf. Then the next three letters, the first letter which has a dot at the bottom, we already know that ba has a dot at the bottom, so this one is ba. And then the second one, this line shows that this is kaf. And then the last one, the last letter, which has two dots at the bottom, we already know that there are two dots at ta. There are two dots at the top, that is ta. So the first letter is ba, kaf, ta. First letter is ba, then the second one is kaf, and the third one is Ta. There are also 3 letters. First one, which letter has 2 dots at the top, is ta. Then the second one, this sign shows us and tells us that this is kaf. In the third letter, which has 3 dots at the top, we read in the beginning that sa has 3 dots at the top, so this one is sa. Ta, kaf, sa. So now you have to practice all these letters, and also you have to look closely on the formation of the letters, and you have to recognize the letters by their dots, by their formation, that when the letter connects with any other letter, so what are the changes in the formation of letter. Okay, so you have to practice this one. You have to do practice of all these letters. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will read the next letters.